Is taste pleasure worth more than an animal's life? Is SS Sniper Wolf really a good person? Just because someone is pretty or they make you laugh, does that mean they're good? Goodness comes from what happens when others aren't looking. Being polite means saying please and thank you, but is it the same thing as being good? Being good means speaking out to defend those who are suffering. It also means not paying for anyone to suffer, not paying anyone to kill for you when there are so many other things to eat in the stores. SS Sniper Wolf pays people to hurt animals every day of her life when she eats meat, eggs, or cheeses that aren't a vegan. Not only that, though, she also actively encourages her more than 30 million followers to do the same thing. How can Sniper Wolf laugh at animal cruelty? How can she continue to eat the limp bodies of innocent animals who cried in fear and begged not to be taken from their families and murdered? The worst thing wasn't that she was eating animals. That part is somewhat understandable because most people have forgotten that they were born vegan, and most people honestly don't know the extent of the violence that their food comes from. The worst thing was that when SS Sniper Wolf was given the opportunity to change, to go back to her vegan roots, she didn't take it. Instead, she dug in her heels and kept up the animal abuse. In a loving society, anyone who makes fun of the suffering of animals should be shunned. Why is it that so many people are cruel unless they themselves are the victims? Why is there so little empathy in the world? Has she been so spoiled for so long that she doesn't understand suffering? Being vegan is not hard. It's easy. It's just about trying each day to do the least harm. That's all. Anyone can try to be better. Anyone can take steps to be vegan. Let SS Sniper Wolf know about this video. Teach people in her comment section that being vegan is the right thing to do. Encourage her to watch the important documentaries like Dominion and Earthlings. But even if she never sees this video or she never changes, that doesn't mean you can't. You can be better than her. You can be kinder. You can be braver. You can be vegan from now on. Thank you.
Disrespect.
SS Sniper Wolf, it's time to be keen to eat them veggies like a vegan machine. Time to join the vegan scene instead of paying people to cut up baby animals and somehow thinking it's funny to be mean. Cats, cows, sheep, pigs, dogs, no animals are safe in her vicinity. Chickens, turkeys, rabbits, lambs need protection from narcissistic bullies. No empathy, no empathy. Why contribute to so much cruelty? So cowardly, so cowardly, so cowardly. They've committed no crimes, they deserve their liberty. SS Sniper Wolf promotes violence against baby animals. Because they'll never be able to lay eggs, baby boy chicks are ground up alive at just 1 day old in the egg industry. To view footage of this, Google watchdominion.com. 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 Don't discriminate. SS Sniper Wolf condones sexual assault of males and females. In the meat and dairy industries, bulls are sexually assaulted. Their sperm is stolen. It is forcefully inserted into a female cow in a device that the industry itself calls a rape rack. Google earthlings.com. 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 SS Sniper Wolf, it's time to be keen to eat them veggies like a vegan machine. Time to join the vegan scene instead of paying people to cut up baby animals and somehow thinking it's funny to be mean. Cats, cows, sheep, pigs, dogs, no animals are safe in her vicinity. Chickens, turkeys, rabbits, lambs need protection from narcissistic bullies. No empathy, no empathy, no empathy. Why contribute to so much cruelty? So cowardly, so cowardly, so cowardly. They've committed no crimes, they deserve their liberty. There's a special place in hell for those who pay to torture the innocent. There's a special place in hell, and for sure, she will be in it. She pays to hear animals scream in terror. She pays to hear animals begging for mercy. She pays for sexual assault, bestiality. Yep, that's what they do in the meat, dairy, and egg industries. It's a never-ending cycle of cruelty. Don't discriminate. SS Sniper Wolf, it's time to be keen to eat them veggies like a vegan machine. Time to join the vegan scene instead of paying people to cut up baby animals and somehow thinking it's funny to be mean. Cats, cows, sheep, pigs, dogs, no animals are safe in her vicinity. Chickens, turkeys, rabbits, lambs need protection from narcissistic bullies. No empathy, no empathy, no empathy, no empathy. Why contribute to so much cruelty, so cowardly, so cowardly, so cowardly? They've committed no crimes, they deserve their liberty.
Disrespect, disrespect, disrespect.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them. We fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them, and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.